Hey guys, so I've never taken the bracelet off this watch. I need to clean it. It's gotten quite dirty. So let's use that opportunity to make sure everything checks out on this watch and it is legit real, because since I bought it secondhand, I've never really checked. So first things first, you need a pair of these tweezers. I think they're the best tool for it. And you get it in very easily. You pull in those spring bars and it pops right down and out. Don't really try to use a single spring bar tool on this watch. I think it's much harder. Grab one of these on Amazon for 20 bucks. Pops right off. That's what you need. And then I took this opportunity to run this watch through the ultrasonic cleaner, which it really needed. So here's the card. This is the 214270. Card does match, and the bracelet code is 77200. That's something to know. You do need to look for that. Black Arabic, yep, that all makes sense. So when you take the watch off, some of the things you are going to need to look for is what's on both sides of the case, and what is on the inside of the end links of the bracelet. There'll be codes there and other information that you need to look at. So you do want to see original Rolex design and the 214270, and this is a stainless steel model, so you do want to see that written there. Here, RS refers to the year 2010. That is when this watch was made. I have confirmed that with the original seller of it, and there is your bracelet code of 77200. Also a little Rolex crown. There are also information here on the clasp. I'm not completely sure what the 124 means. I've tried looking it up. There's a lot of info out there, but everything does look correct. Another thing you can also check is that there should be a little laser etched crown at the 6 o'clock position. That's also where your serial number is. It's inside on the rehaut on the serial around the case. So yeah, this watch looks real, and I'm really happy about that. See you guys.